Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about the field management techniques for vegetables. This is not only an agricultural technology, but also an important aspect of our understanding and promotion of sustainable agricultural development. By learning the field management techniques for vegetables, you will need to master various skills such as land preparation, planting, irrigation, plant adjustment, and fertilization. This will enable you to independently carry out vegetable field management tasks and enhance your ability to apply knowledge in different contexts. Take a look at this image. What preparations do you think are being made here? Now, let's begin our lesson. Today, we will mainly discuss the following topics: land preparation and planting, fertilization, irrigation, plant adjustment, chemical control techniques for vegetables, and vegetable cultivation systems. First, let's learn about land preparation and planting. Land preparation includes tilling and bed making. The image above shows tilling. Bed making refers to the division of land after tilling. When determining the planting period for vegetable seedlings, factors such as local climate conditions, vegetable types, and cultivation purposes must be considered. For example, in northern regions, it is best to choose a windless sunny day for planting in spring, ideally with 2 to 3 days of sunshine afterward. While in southern regions, planting is preferable on windless cloudy days or in the evening. Planting methods include the dark water planting method and the light water planting method. A reasonable planting density refers to having a proper population structure per unit area, allowing for good individual development while maximizing the yield potential of the group, thus achieving optimal utilization of sunlight, soil fertility, and space to attain high yields. The appropriate planting density varies by vegetable type and cultivation method. Now, let's learn about fertilization methods and the basis for reasonable fertilization. There are 3 main fertilization methods: base fertilizer, top dressing, and foliar spraying. Base fertilization methods include broadcasting, furrow application, and hole application. Top dressing methods include underground burying, surface broadcasting, and fertigation, applying fertilizer with irrigation water. Foliar spraying refers to directly spraying a prepared fertilizer solution onto the stems and leaves of the vegetables. What is the basis for reasonable fertilization? Let's learn together now. The basis for reasonable fertilization includes understanding the types of vegetables, their growth stages, cultivation conditions, and types of fertilizers used. Next, we will learn about the main irrigation methods and the basis for reasonable irrigation. The primary irrigation methods include surface irrigation, subsurface irrigation, and micro-irrigation. Surface irrigation methods include furrow irrigation, bed irrigation, and flood irrigation. This method is suitable for areas with abundant water sources and flat land. Its characteristics include low investment and ease of implementation, but it requires significant labor and water, leading to potential soil compaction. Subsurface irrigation includes drip irrigation and subsurface drip irrigation. It is more suitable for facility vegetable cultivation and is characterized by water and labor savings, minimizing soil evaporation. Micro-irrigation includes drip and spray irrigation. Its applicability is as follows: suitable for arid regions with drip irrigation, for seedling cultivation and leafy vegetable production, suitable for spray irrigation. Its features include labor and water savings, and it helps prevent soil compaction. What is the basis for reasonable irrigation? Let's learn together now. Reasonable irrigation requires considering weather conditions, soil moisture, and the condition of the seedlings. Next, let's study plant adjustment. Stem and vine adjustments include support, vine tying, vine pressing, vine hanging, vine winding, and vine dropping. Supports include A-frames, floor corner supports, and others. Vine tying involves securing the stem and vines to the support using figure-8 ties. Vine pressing refers to burying part of the stem nodes of climbing vegetables like pumpkins and watermelons into the soil. The first image shows the use of ropes to hang vines. Vine winding refers to tying the plants to a wire above, and vine dropping means removing the wire in the later stages, allowing them to hang naturally. Pruning includes removing side branches and pinching. Removing side branches means eliminating lateral branches or leaf buds to reduce nutrient consumption when the plant has sufficient functional fluid. For instance, the image shows side branch removal in tomatoes. Pinching involves removing the terminal growth point to encourage branching and control vegetative growth. Leaf removal during the growing season involves removing diseased, old, or yellow leaves to improve ventilation and light penetration for the lower parts of the plant, promoting healthy development. Leaf bundling is a management method for vegetables like cabbage and cauliflower. Flower and fruit management includes removing flower structures, thinning flowers and fruits, and maintaining flowers and fruits. Removing flower structures refers to early removal of flowers in vegetables that are harvested for their nutritional parts, reducing nutrient consumption and promoting the formation of product organs. Thinning flowers and fruits means retaining high-quality young fruits in large fruit-bearing vegetables, eliminating others to concentrate nutrients and improve fruit quality and yield. Maintaining flowers and fruits refers to measures taken for facility-cultivated vegetables that are prone to flower and fruit drop, enhancing fruit set rates. What is chemical control technology for vegetables? Let's learn together now. Plant growth regulators, commonly referred to as plant hormones and hormone-like compounds, are used. Integrating plant growth regulators with traditional vegetable cultivation techniques allows for demand-based control of vegetable growth to achieve high yield and quality, known as chemical control or chem control technology. Common types of growth regulators used in vegetables include growth promoters, growth retardants, and growth inhibitors. Next, let's learn about the application of chemical technologies in vegetable production. As shown in the image, breaking dormancy is achieved by using agents like gibberellins to break the dormancy of seeds from vegetables such as celery and eggplant. Growth regulators such as paclobutrazol and diminizide can be used to prevent excessive elongation in fruit and vegetable seedlings. Ethylene-releasing agents can induce female flower formation in plants like cucumbers and gherkins. Finally, let's learn about vegetable cultivation systems. Continuous cropping, also known as double cropping, refers to the repeated cultivation of the same vegetable on the same piece of land over different growing seasons or years. Crop rotation involves alternating the cultivation of different types of vegetables on the same land over a specified number of years, commonly referred to as rotation or alternate cropping. Different vegetables have varying rotation periods. For instance, cucumbers and peppers require a 2 to 3 year rotation period, while cabbage and tomatoes need a 3 to 4 year rotation period. Intercropping involves planting 2 or more types of vegetables in an organized manner within the same plot. Mixed cropping refers to the irregular interplanting of 2 or more types of vegetables. Relay cropping utilizes the early or late growth stages of one type of vegetable to plant another in the space between rows. Cultivation seasons and cropping times include open field cultivation and facility cultivation cropping times. This concludes our lesson for today. I hope you can apply what you have learned in practice and contribute to agricultural modernization. After class, please complete the following exercises diligently. All right, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you all for listening.